It's been a while since I did a toolbox video. My office desk, Husky 46-inch. Top drawer, sockets, Huskies, some great pneumatics, long ass extensions, breaker bars, big ass pry bar, big ass 1/2 inch ratchet. Most of these are Huskies. I have Craftsman's also, Harbor Freight. The organized clutterfuck. Use these IKEA dishwash or fucking utensil separator to organize it. Scrapers. Got punches, chisels. Got fucking O-ring spoons, O-ring picks, markers. I got short extensions, bits, other adapters, medium-sized extensions, all right there. Multi-tool to cut shit, scissors, more shit to cut shit, picks, hoses. Specialty wrenches, got crow's feet, larger wrenches, Allen's, thin wrenches, set of angle wrenches, Sunex, pinch off hoses, coolant lines, fuel lines, cut air lines, or get a clean cut on air lines. This works good for trucks or semi trucks. This is my pipe wrenches. Get a grip or bend some thin metal back in place. Extractors, flare wrenches, drill bits, more extractors, bolt extractors, carbide bits to grind out metal, bits, long vice grips, cookies to grind down more metal, die grinder, sandpaper discs, scrapers, yada yada yada. Some of my power tools, 1/2 inch snap on, got some DeWalt, cut off wheel, air tools I barely use, temp gun, gloves, Huskies, Allen's and Torx bits, or 3/8 Torx bit. Wrench drawers. These are wrench extractors for strip bolts. Haven't used those yet. Got metric standards. I like keeping my wrenches and rings always portable because half the time I don't work at my toolbox. I can work in the middle of a dirt field or across the yard. Oh fuck. Yeah. Organize that shit later. Yeah. Gear wrenches, keep it in the ring also, keeps everything organized. Spud wrenches, use these for hydraulic lines or big hydraulic lines all the time. If you can't find or get a good grip on one, you find a place to poke this at and you get the other one, keeps it steady, crack some hydraulic lines or some air lines. I got a breaker bar for it, stick a pipe. Crack most hydraulic lines. Screwdrivers, pliers. Hammers. My favorite, Thor's hammer. And this is my favorite chisel. I use this to break concretes. This is good for knocking off wheel bearings off of semi trucks or just to knock anything big in general. This These make good chisels. That plus Thor's hammer, you're gonna get it off. These are my pride and joy for my on-site repairs. Make another video of these. This is all my basic electrical in a duffel bag for on-site repairs. Cause half the time working in the middle of a dirt field or in like 10th floor of a building trying to diagnose and fix the machine. And this is my mechanical shit to fix. Sockets, wrenches, power tools, etc. Also have that big ass toolbox with my spirit animal, Sloth. But that's all the miscellaneous stuff. Do another video of that later. It's my office desk, my pride and joy. And then, oh yeah, I got sprays, gloves, my hat, because I work outside half the damn time. It's be hot as fuck. Stepping stool, hang it up, zip ties, straps, so strap parts out the way. Got rags, made a bracket for my creeper, and this creeper transforms into a seat. Stool, sprays, miscellaneous tools, multimeter.